In this video, we'll be telling about how to create 3D profile photo for WhatsApp or any other social media platforms. For this, you need to install one application. You can use Picsart for this. App link is given in the description. You can download it from there. Or if you want, you can use any other editing applications also. Anyways, here I am using Picsart application. Now first what we need to do is open Picsart application. After opening Picsart application, down here you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see edit a photo. Click on edit a photo. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option background. Click on background. When you are clicking on that, you can see a white background. Click on this. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. After that, down here you can see some options. Here you can see one option shape. Click on this shape option. Here you can see so many shapes. First we need to set color. Here you can see color option. Click on color and select the background color. For example, I am selecting this color. After that, again come to shapes. Here you can select shapes. Here I am selecting round. After that, if you want to change size, you can do that. I am increasing shape little bit. After that, you need to set your photo. For example, we need to set this as 3D profile photo. First, what we need to do is in Google search for remove BG. When you are searching for remove BG, you can see one website like this, remove.bg. Click on this website. And when you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see upload image option. Click on upload image. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo. After selecting photo, click on done button. When you are clicking on done button, background from that image will be removed automatically. After that, here you can see download option. Click on download and that photo will be downloaded. If you want, you can remove background using Picsart application only. But this is very easy. In seconds, you can get that background removed, that too perfectly. After that, what you need to do is again open Picsart application. After that, down here you can see one option add photo. Click on add photo. When you are clicking on that, you can see that image, select that image. After that, click on add button. And after that, you need to adjust that image. When you are adjusting that image, one thing you should keep in mind is that you should adjust this image like this. Little portion of your head should be outside this circle. After that, you need to remove extra areas in this image. For that, what you need to do is down here you can see opacity option. First, reduce this opacity. Now here you can see extra areas here. Down here in this area and in this area, whatever is outside this circle, you need to erase that. To erase, above you can see eraser button. Click on this button. After that, here you can see erase option. Click on this erase option and you can erase extras from here. For more perfection, you can change these settings. If you want to increase hardness, you can increase hardness. It's better to put hardness in 100%. Anyways, remove everything extra. Now everything extra is removed. Now nothing is there outside this circle, only this head portion is there. You should not remove that head portion. Down here everything extra you should remove. After that, click on this tick button. Now before we have reduced the opacity, you need to increase opacity to 100%. Now everything is set. After that, what you need to do is above you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. Again you can see an arrow mark here. Click on this arrow mark. When you are clicking on that, here you can see save button. Click on save and here you can see save option again. Click on this save. Now this photo will be saved to your gallery. After that, what you need to do is open your WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, above you can see 3 dots. Click on this 3 dots. Here you can see settings option. Click on settings. Here you can see your profile. Click on this profile and when you are clicking on that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. Here above you can see edit button. Click on this edit button. After clicking that, here you can see some options. Click on gallery. When you are clicking on gallery, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select all photos and from this, select the photo which you have saved. After this, if you want to crop this image, you can crop a little bit. But important thing is that you should not remove this every white area. Some white area should be there. After that, click on this done button and now profile photo is set. Now if you are looking here, you can see 3D style profile photo in WhatsApp. So this is how you can set 3D profile photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.